Hi, I'm Ruben Saltzman with Structure Tech Home Inspections, and today I have a brief but important child safety message regarding gas fireplaces. If you have a gas fireplace in your home that was made before 2015, heads up, you may or may not have a protective screen in front of that gas fireplace. The problem with these fireplaces is that the glass fronts on those get extremely hot. I mean, scary, ridiculously hot. Here's an infrared image of mine. Now, my infrared camera only goes up to 536 degrees. I don't know how hot this actually is. I've heard they can get up to 1,000 degrees or some crazy number like that. I don't know how hot mine really is, but it's really, really hot. That's all you need to know. And it's not like a stove or something or the front of an oven. This is like, it will melt skin within seconds. And the trouble here is if a toddler falls up against one of these things or even just touches the glass front on this, it will melt the skin on their hands very quickly. They don't have calloused hands, so their skin is especially delicate. And what I've heard about, now this is gruesome, so I apologize in advance for creating this mental image for you, but I have to convey the seriousness of this, is that sometimes kids will be walking around, they will fall against it, they'll put their hands there to catch themselves. They don't have the fast reflexes that adults do, and they leave their hands there for a second, it registers pain, they go to pull away, their hands have melted against the glass, and they end up pulling their face against the glass. And it is so horrific to even think about that I don't think I ever took this serious enough when I had toddlers. I had no idea how bad this was. Here's a picture of my daughter walking around like right up against the fireplace while it was on. I have no idea why I took this picture. This was from a long time ago, and I'm glad nothing bad ever happened. But this is a shout out to any parents out there and anyone who has a house with a gas fireplace that doesn't have a protective screen in front of it. If you've got one of these and you ever have kids to your house, it's a good idea to get a protective screen that goes in front of it. Now, for me, I've got a heat and glow fireplace that was manufactured in 2001 or 2002, something like that. It was a long time ago. I called up Heat and Glow, or I went to their website, and they said they offer free screens for a certain age of fireplace. All I had to do was pay $15 in shipping, and they sent me out a screen that retrofits in front of the fireplace. It was a fairly simple installation. And while the screen is going to get uncomfortably hot, it's not going to cause these severe, debilitating burns that can require skin grafts, gloves and bandages, and just life-altering stuff for children. No parent ever wants to see their kids go through this. And I'll admit, I took a much easier approach to this. I didn't take it nearly as serious when my kids were little, but I've learned about some of these injuries, and now from a home inspection perspective, when we see a gas fireplace with a glass front, we say it's a good idea to get a protective screen in front of that. So if you don't have one, contact your gas fireplace manufacturer, and if they don't have any available or you can't figure out who it is, you can also go online. I'm going to put a link right here, or you can go to find more information from a company who will make retrofit fireplace screens for any existing gas fireplace. That's my message for today. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.